Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by setting prerequisites. Install a customizable launcher and an icon pack now. Next, pick a wallpaper that defines mood and color harmony because that base controls contrast and legibility. Once done, create a simple folder structure for essential apps and pin 4 frequently used shortcuts. Make sure to enable grid settings that match your wallpaper proportions. This gets you into design mode quickly and prepares everything for layout and widget placement in the next phase. You now focus on structure and balance. Adjust the home grid to 4x5 or 5x5 so icons sit evenly because symmetry improves perceived quality. Then add 1 to 2 custom widgets. Calendar and clock work well, sized to occupy clear negative space. Once placed, group similar apps into labeled folders and hide labels to reduce visual clutter. Make sure to set consistent margins and padding. This unifies the feel. If an element looks off, nudge it by 1 grid unit for refinement. You finish by polishing details. Apply a consistent icon tint or choose monochrome to make accents pop, because color unity ties the theme together. Then enable gestures, hide the dock if desired, and set subtle animations to 100-200 ms for smoothness. Once done, export or note your settings. If something breaks, icons misalign or widgets vanish, first clear the launcher cache, then reapply the icon pack and reset grid settings. That troubleshooting sequence fixes most layout hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.